few things that you're gonna need is your brown sugar. You're gonna need 1 cup packed in there. Go ahead and add that. And then you're also gonna use 3/4 cup of sugar. And then you're also gonna wanna go ahead and use 3/4 cup of brown butter. I do like to go ahead and make my brown butter ahead of time, and I put it in these molds like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and melt it down, and then I'm gonna add it to this and then cream it together, and the brown sugar and the butter till the sugar is kind of like almost dissolved. And then you're gonna add in the butter. Now make sure you get all the crumbs out. And you want to go ahead and add your egg yolk, and then your whole egg, and then vanilla extract. And then you want to go ahead and cream this together for about a good